Hey, what's up, fellas? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. It's been about 8 days or 9 days since I put out a video as I'm recording this right now. It's probably going to be a little longer until I get this out, but I've been real busy in here, and the reason why, it's a big reason why that I haven't been able to put up a video, and I should be doing videos of it, but it's kind of a big surprise, and it's kind of like hush hush right now. I can't say nothing, but I will be saying something soon. So anyway, I have another surprise, big surprise. So, and this includes the whole community, so if you're interested. So me and the fellas, Lucas C, and Brian BG from Model Workshop, we all want to put on a group build for everybody, and the theme of the build is Porsche. The rules are it's got to be a Porsche. So and we've decided, though, if you have a Porsche that is slightly started, and you don't have another Porsche, you can actually build that Porsche in this group build. So it's not, we don't want you starting a Porsche that is 99% done and all you got to do is just do that, is done. But we just want to have a group build, something that just slightly started is fine. So any Porsche, it can be a Le Mans Porsche, it could be a custom Porsche, it can be any sort of Porsche you want, just as long as it's a Porsche. Matt's gonna say Porsche, so anyway, we'll call it a Porsche. Just to make Luca mad. Anyway, so we don't know what we're gonna call this yet. It doesn't start till July 1st, okay? So it gives you all this time, gives you almost a whole month of June to find the Porsche you want. So I've already got my Porsche picked out, and it actually gives me time to buy whatever parts I want. It could be a box stock build, it could be an all-out build. You can put just different decals on it if you want. It doesn't matter how you build it, as long as you're building it. As long as you're having fun. That's the rules. If you're having fun, then you're in, bro. So anyway, so we're gonna call it, I don't know what we're gonna call it yet, but we're getting that together. So right now I'm just putting a video out to let everybody know that it's a Porsche build. So I'm going to flip the camera around in a second and show you the Porsche that I'm going to build for this. And then I'll just wait for everybody else till July, and then I'll start mine in July. So also, maybe we'll call it the Three Stooges group build. I don't know. But we want to do this like at least once a year, like the USAC build, but maybe we'll do it twice a year. If it goes well, we'll do it twice a year. Matt has a Porsche build, and I'll have all that information up in the next video. Not a Porsche build, but he has a Porsche channel on Facebook. So you guys can post your pics there. You can post them at BG's Facebook page, or you can post them at the Lucas C Model Car Facebook page. So or you guys can subscribe to our channels, and we can all be chatting in the feed about the group build too. So that's kind of important to subscribe to the channels, and maybe we can, in the feed, we can all discuss in there. It gives us more options to discuss the build and how fun it is or whatever. So don't forget to subscribe to our channels, or hit like, or all that crap, the crap. So anyway, let's turn this little camera around, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing to the Porsche build, Matt. Here we go. Let's turn it around. All right, guys, this is it. This is the Fujimi Porsche 91770 Le Mans Golf color, the golf car. This was driven by Steve McQueen in the movie Le Mans. So in 1970, I think. So I'm gonna do this, and it's gonna kill two birds with one stone. It's our group build, plus it's gonna go to our local what do you call it, contest, model car contest. It's got a build theme for number 20, so I'm gonna go ahead and use it for that too. And it's cool. I've been wanting to build this anyway. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So check it out. And you can tell I haven't opened it. I bought this kit exclusively for this build. I think they just staple these, huh? Well, let's not open the glass, but you can see the side doors, window. I don't want to scratch the glass up because that's kind of important to me. And the body. There you go, nice and clean. This kit's gonna have some challenges, I'm pretty sure. Look at, that's for the numbers, I'm pretty sure. Maybe. We'll see. And the challenges for me is probably gonna be the front decal on here. Because it curves around, so let me see if I can get a better lighting out here for you guys. There you go. Fujimi's usually got some pretty nice stuff, so we'll dress it up a little bit. I think those are wheel wells, the rear ones maybe. Show you the other side of this. There you go. It's nice when they just staple these and then open them really easy. We'll use this again. The bottom pan. It's going to be a fun kit. Here's the pan. You should be looking at the bottom. That's the bottom of it. It's going to be a real fun kit. Can't wait. So it looks like the engine's like the top half and the bottom half. I'm gonna see if I can get some photo etch set for the brakes there. Your wheels. And we'll do a proper video of taking it off the sprues, and you can check everything out. But everything's pretty crisp, so I'm digging it so far. And these tires, nice. Big and littles. Tread pattern. Pretty cool. Your chrome package, which is pretty small, but it's, you know, it is what it is. I usually re-chrome my stuff anyway. I don't know if I am on this, but we'll see. Probably will. So this, well, here's the instructions. Let's kind of blow it back out. It's the typical instructions for a Fujimi kit. Sorry, guys. Pretty typical. I don't know if I'm going to do this box stock or if I'm going to order stuff or what I'm going to do yet, but I've got almost a month to let it settle in my head, simmer there for a little bit, so there you go. Also, not to forget, the challenging part for me is decals. So this is going to probably be the most challenging one for the whole build, because it's going to go on that bottom piece down here, right there. So that's going to be a little challenging, so we'll see how that works. But there's not a lot of decals. That's what we got. Window mask and the tires. It says Firestone on there. You can't really tell here, but that's what it says. Firestone, and then you got Goodyear. So pretty cool. But that is my entry, and there you have it. So I hope you guys all want to join the Porsche build, and if you do, hit me up. Hit Brian up, BG, and Matt. You know, let us know if you're in. So we will end the video here. So why do you watch this crap? But you do. So I'm glad you guys do. You guys don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and join the build, guys. It's gonna be fun. You guys all take care and have a good one. Talk to you later.